Well, I ain't lazy and I ain't lame, but to move right now would be a crying shame. And I just can't seem to get on out of this bed. Maybe there's something I can do right here instead. But wait a minute.
What, my Bob?
All I need is some goofy gas. There ain't nothing you can pass. I run around on goofy gas. Goofy gas, guaranteed not to come in last. I run around on goofy gas. Pick it. I got my car looking oh so clean. Done run her through the robo machine. I got her waxed and shiny all around. But she ain't much to brag about, 'cause I never could seem to get her out of the robo wash where she lies broke down. I wish there was something I could do to bring her around. But wait a minute.
What?
You know what she needs?
Yeah!